Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vikas Nitsal. In today's video, we are going to see how to design a filter using inbuilt toolbox in a MATLAB software. So basically in MATLAB, having a inbuilt toolbox for a filter design. Go to the command window and write fda tool and give the enter. Whenever we enter, we will get this particular window. Here you can see is a filter design and analysis tool. So basically in this toolbox, here you can see is a file. You can start a new session, open session, save. Then again you can convert whatever this, you can design a MATLAB code, or you can generate a MATLAB code for a given filter design. So then again this analysis is there, like a filter specification, magnitude response, phase response, pole zero plot. There are different analysis is there. Again you can generate C header file for this particular filter. Again you can generate whatever Xilinx code, you can generate VHDL code. So again you can generate lot of different codes through this toolbox. So whenever we generate, it will help for your VHDL coding or C coding. In view you can see whatever zoom options, zoom out, zoom in. Again in window, having a MATLAB command window and filter. And finally there is help is there. In help you can take help from different tool help, then importing filter, exporting filters, DSP system toolbox example. So like this, there are different help is there. Again you can see different shortcuts are there. So this is the actual window. In this window we are having a current filter information, filter specifications, response type is there. In that low pass, high pass, band stop. We can select any design method, that is IR filter or FIR filter. In IR, Chebyshev type first, second, elliptic. Again you can select FIR filter, that is equiripple. Okay, there are different filters are there. Suppose for example, if I select FIR filter and I want to design a FIR filter for particular order, you can select a particular filter order. Here already I have taken 10, you can take 5, 7, 8 as per your example. Then we have to define a density factor. Again I will take as it is. If you want to change, you can change. Then frequency specification is hertz, kilohertz, megahertz, gigahertz. In that, as per your design methods, you can define whatever sampling frequency. As we know that in a theoretical we have some specific design steps. So in that we require a sampling frequency. So you can take sampling frequency, then you can take passband frequency, stop band frequency. Then you can define whatever the magnitude specification for passband and as well as for stop band. Then for example, if I keep all this data as it is and if I click on a design filter, so you can see this is nothing but magnitude response for a low pass filter using a FIR filter. So basically I got some equiripples in a stop band. So like this, if you want to check a pole zero plot for this, then just go to this option, pole zero editor option. If you click, so you will get whatever pole zero plot for that, you will get pole zero plot for that particular filter. Okay, so like this you can check whatever pole zero plot for that particular filter. So like this you can design any filter. For example, if you want to design high pass filter, then you can select high pass filter. then a fire, and just click on the design filter. So you can see initially we are having a equiripulse, then we are having a whatever the magnitude response. So basically it will pass high pass frequency and it will reject a low pass frequency. Suppose if you want to use window in a FIR filter, then just go to the window. So automatically the window will comes into the options. So just you can select any window, Bartlett window, Blackman, Hamming, Kessler window, rectangular window, triangular. Okay, just select any window and again you can click on a design filter. So you can see here, this is nothing but the FIR high pass filter using Hamming window. Okay, this is nothing but using Blackman window. So same way you can use IR filter also, that is the infinite impulse response filter. Okay, again the same thing, you can select filter order. I will select a minimum order, whatever minimum order. Then you can select pass band or stop band. Again I can select frequency specification and magnitude response. Just click on the design filter. Okay, you can see here, this is nothing but infinite impulse response high pass filter. Okay, so this is nothing but magnitude response. If you want to store, just click on the store filter. Okay, if you want to save this session, then just click on the save session. Okay, so like this you can design any filter using this filter design and analysis tool. If you want to take a MATLAB code for this particular design, for example, again if I select a FIR filter window as it is, okay, and if I click on a space, then if I click on a design filter, so this is nothing but the FIR high pass filter using a Blackman window. If I cancel, if I click on equiripple, and if I click on a design filter, so you can see I have taken a minimum order, and then if you want to convert this filter design into the MATLAB code, then simply you can go to this particular point and you can click on a generate MATLAB code, okay, with filter design function with system object. Okay, so simply I will click on a filter design function. So I will select any path. Okay, you can see this is nothing but filter design function MATLAB code. So whatever values we have taken, that values directly comes into the MATLAB code. So you can see here. So I hope now you understand how to design any filter using this toolbox. If you like this video, then please my YouTube channel, because a lot of people are watching my videos but still they have not subscribed. So please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video so that it will help to other students also to understand filter design toolbox. So we'll see a new concept in a new video. So thank you very much.